I'm going to spend a minute or two showing you how to discover your equity curve inside of NinjaTrader. But before we do, keep in mind that trading has its risks, and all information in this webinar is provided for educational purposes only and is not an offer or a recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or Forex. So let's dive into this. In order to bring a trade performance report out, you want to go to the Control Center and go to New and click on your, here we go, Trade Performance. That's what we want. Just click on that, and by doing so, you'll end up bringing up this window within NinjaTrader. And what we want to do is, you're probably already accustomed to seeing a list of all your trades. But let's say that you want to look at your equity curve, see how you've been doing over a certain period of time. So I've put in here as an example, October 1st to October 15th. I hit the Generate button. And then what you want to do is come up here, and you have a number of choices. You could hit Summary or Analysis. We want Analysis. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see that it brings up your equity curve from those dates. This shows each individual day here in the performance, but this shows you the progression of your equity curve from the selected dates, in this case the 1st of October to the middle of the month. If you want to change the dates, let's say you want to look at the beginning of September to the end of September. Let's see, that's 30 days. Hit the Generate button, and then you can see that it automatically takes you back to the 1st of September to your designated times. So it's an easy report to get to, and it's certainly worthwhile to keep an eye on that over time and seeing how your progress is going according to what I'd call your plan, what you hope to make on a daily basis, on an accumulated basis. And if it's not parallel with one another, perhaps you've got to look into some of your strategies that you're using. Thanks so much for your time. Hope this is a help.